Hi so guys, welcome to our YouTube channel vsmedicoclasses. So fans, in this video I will going to demonstrate you the manipulation of the cervical, thoracic and the lumbar region. Means all the spinal manipulation I will going to demonstrate you. And guys, if you are interested for the learning about this manipulation and you are just nearby from the Meerut, okay, so we are going to conduct a workshop in the Meerut, and the Dr. Rishabh Arora will be the instructor of that workshop, and we will try to give you a clear cut demonstration of all kind of these manipulation. So if you are interested and if you have a fire to learn these kinds of things in this time, so you have to just click on the link below and you have to get registered yourself. Okay, and for personal detail you can just contact me on my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number is on the screen. You can just say me a hi and I will send you the all details of this workshop. So if you are interested, so just click on the link below. Okay, how friends, so guys, in this video I'm going to demonstrate you the cervical manipulation. Okay, so relax. Guys, in this video I will demonstrate you the manipulation of the lumbar spine.